Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. If you ever have a customer that's really picky on where the logo goes compared to the handle, I've never done one with handles really, and it ended up working out really well. Didn't have to take the handle off, didn't have to use a 4-inch lens or anything because the logo was pretty small. But if your laser has a red dot pointer, and you send them a picture of their cup, and this cup is exactly 10 1/4 inches tall. So I could bring it into Corel and size the picture to 10 1/4. And it's actually, the picture is actually like 10.36, but it was close enough. So if you have a red dot pointer, when you put it in your laser, in your rotary, and if you use center engraving, if your dialogue has center, if you will click on your logo and bring an indexing line to that X, and that's the center of the logo, and then take your parallel dimension tool and measure from that edge to that edge, and it's 1.96. So what I did, I took the red dot pointer and I put it at 1.96 inches below that powder coated part of the cup. And she was extremely happy where it was. To me, it's the easiest way to do it. You could, put a box around the logo by holding down the shift and running a vector file and kind of maybe put some tape where she wanted it. But if you use center and you put that indexing line on the center of the logo, it will start right here and engrave it, and it'll be right where the customer wants it. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.